Summer is here, and you could not miss her, rice salad. Let's see together how to prepare an easy and original version to impress friends and family. Let's start. At the beginning you need... Today I'm going to show you how to mathematically predict the fatigue life of a component. Welcome to my third lesson, fatigue. First of all, what is fatigue? When we have Can you get good results without going to the gym? Yes, with the right equipment and targeted exercises. Now, let me show you my workout program. Let's get some herbs from our garden. We then derive our signal.
It's time to cut onions in plant position.
Sigma equals A for N of